Boom, hey internets, another episode of Case Study, and I had to talk about this. I haven't talked about this brand on the channel before, but Culk, and I'm gonna throw all of the social media links for Culk below. If you're a fan of Culk, the brand, I'm with you. I'm there with you guys. And the reason I wanted to do an episode on it is because it's so tongue-in-cheek and it's so humorous. Sam, the founder, I would assume the designer, like creative director of the brand, really started in the garage. And it's funny because a lot of companies will say, oh, I started with screen printing, or I'm gonna have a screen printing operation in my garage. I typically don't say that's maybe your first step to doing it, but started screen printing his own shirts in the Bay, and Sam Culkins, who's the founder of the brand, has done amazing things with it. The biggest thing that I want to showcase or point out as this being a good case study is the sense of humor. And so one of the #1 things for a brand that's a newer concept, right? So if you watch my videos in the early 2000s, it didn't really dwell on this, but as technology and social media becomes everything for marketing and really reaching and touching and storytelling with your customer, community is the biggest thing that is a must-have for your brand, right? And in the world of streetwear and fashion, and wherever those blend with high fashion or premium, all the way up to like off-white and things that Virgil might be talking about in his type of aura, I like that Culk doesn't take itself so seriously. The product is good, the product is dope, right? You can see it right there next to any other brand like Market or Primitive or wherever you might find it merchandised. But I love that when you get onto the Instagram, it's more entertaining. You feel like you're having a conversation with it, right? When I'm talking to brand owners, I'm talking about breaking down their calendar. There should be at least one big thing happening every single month, and that's 12 months of the year. So you could be posting about it on your Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, whatever social media, also in the future when you watch this video. Sorry guys, fixing the shot, battery died. So in any case, what I wanted to say is, the cool thing is when you click onto Culk's Instagram, you feel like it's a conversation. The interaction or like the skits with the different members of his team, different people that are kind of hosting, is just hilarious, and you feel like you're really getting to know them. Very similar to what Market, formerly known as Chinatown Market, has done with their rollout of how they introduce themselves. You feel like Culk, just like Market, you feel like it's almost a separate personality. Big contrast from the early 2000s where everyone just wanted to be so cool and so chic. That's the MO for a lot of brands still, of course. They want to be on the edge of that fashion, but I really love what I'm seeing with aforementioned brands where they're just kind of taking it down to earth and just saying, hey, we're offering cool product. This is what we're about. We think this is funny. I really think it creates a different kind of bond with the customer. So take a look at Culk if you never have before. All of the links are below. So for you and your brand, when you're rolling out the way you're putting your social media together, your storytelling, it doesn't all have to be very serious or very dramatic. All of the links below, and check on their videos. They're hilarious. Follow them on Instagram. I'm a fan as well. You guys got questions, you could drop it all below, or you could hit me on this number here. Please give the video a like. Helps me with the algorithm. See you guys on the next one. Bye.